This is day 4 of end of year tax planning for any small business owners. A lot of business owners panic because they miss quarterly estimated tax payments, but let me break down what actually happens when you do miss those quarterly estimated tax payments. The first thing is you get hit with 2 different types of penalties. The first is failure to pay and then plus interest, and these start accruing as soon as you skip a payment. Second thing they do is usually the IRS does not send out a notice immediately. They usually wait until you file the tax return to then calculate the additional penalties and interest that accrues when you miss those estimated tax payments. Third thing that you want to do is you don't fix this by filing early. You fix this by making a payment early to avoid those additional penalties and lower that. So you want to make sure that you are making a payment by December 31st. The fourth thing that you want to make sure is if your income was uneven, then you may qualify for a penalty relief. So there are safe harbor rules if most of your profit came later in the year. So you definitely want to check this as well to make sure that you, for whatever reason, may qualify for that penalty relief. The last thing that you want to do, of course, is planning now saves you a ton of headache later. I cannot express how much money you would save if you started planning not just in December, but honestly throughout the year. This saves you a ton of headache. This saves you from scrambling on last minute, things that you can do when you could have done it throughout the year to save you money when it comes to filing your taxes.